Would you like to start a meditation course to help you stop being so angry and overreactive? Or how about transitioning those stressful feelings to becoming more calm and connected to your heart? The 14-day Inner Smile experience is a heart-based meditation course that is designed to help you both physically and mentally. All meditations are great for you, but this particular heart meditation has so many benefits. The Inner Smile has actually been around for thousands of years and was originally developed for martial arts because the heart is where you find real openness and courage. Because the Inner Smile is focused on the heart, it really helps to improve bioelectrical flow in your heart. That's because this meditation works to relax tension in the heart muscle and improve its electrical flow. So less static charge in your heart is better for your overall heart health, but also it will help you to feel less stressed, reactive, and uptight. It also really helps if you're feeling down or even depressed, because it not only gets you out of your mind, it gets you into your heart. People are loving this course. It's got lots of 5-star ratings and wonderful reviews from people who have tried many different meditations in the past, and they really love this one. So I invite you to try this 14-day Inner Smile experience with me. It will support you to become more calm and aware, and I really hope it will spark an ember of joy in your heart that will continue to grow if you keep nourishing it. The link is below if you would like to have more of a look. I hope you do.